Hello everyone, my name is Naveen Kumar and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see the video on the topic type conversion and casting, like how automatic type promotion is done in Java. So yeah, I'm a student of Sri Venkateshwar College of Engineering and this subject is object-oriented programming with Java. So let's dive into the topic. So first we'll go with introduction. What is type conversion and casting? So type conversion basically refers the process of converting one data type into another. So casting is a way of explicitly converting a value from one data type to another in Java. Right. So for understanding this type conversion and casting, it is essential for why is it essential? So because it is essential for managing data types in Java program when we are writing it, we should be very careful about it. So basically Java casting, we have two type of casting, which is implicit and explicit. You can see these are some of the examples here. Implicit, the correct thing that is told, and explicit we are getting errors. We'll see why it is like that in the coming slides. So type conversion in Java, there are two types of conversions. One is implicit and explicit. Implicit type conversion is also known as widening conversion because in this the change is automatically done by the compiler itself when a small data type is converted into a larger data type, like from car to end or short to end, right, or int to long, int to double, int to float, right, like you can see the chart over there. So implicit conversion is done by the system automatically. Explicit type conversion, what it is also known as, is the narrowing conversion, because here we require the use of casting operators to convert a larger data type into a smaller data type in Java. Right. So what is widening conversion? Widening conversion occurs when a value of a smaller data type is automatically converted into larger data type. Right. So it's basically saying us that when we have a small data type, it will automatically convert into a bigger data type when we are using this implicit, which is widening conversion in Java. For example, converting an int to double or a byte to an int. Sometimes widening conversion is actually safe and it does not result in data loss in Java. This is one benefit because when we are talking about narrowing conversion in Java, here what happens when a value of larger data type is explicitly converted into smaller data types, there is some chance of loss of data. For example, we have this float which is 4.5. If we are converting it into int, it will only show us 4, or either if it is round thing, it will show 5. So either we'll get the 5 data more or 5 data will lose. Right, so that conversion is actually very risky. So explicitly doing it is very important. So it will help us in converting larger data type into smaller data types without the loss of data that much, okay, like comparatively. So casting operators must be used for narrowing conversions in Java, okay, because it can result in data loss, truncation of if the value is too large for a smaller data type, as I told you guys, right? Now, what are the examples of time conversion in Java? Like we have this, I told you, right, converting it into a double for performing arithmetic operation, casting a double to an end to truncate the decimal part of the number. Right, trunking is basically remove it. Okay, so converting a long to a float for compatibility in expressions. Now, what are the some automatic type promotions? Like if we are giving the equations, how does it do? Okay, so like for example, if I'm taking double d is equal to 4, so it will automatically take double even if the value which I'm providing is integer. Right. So here what happens is the automatic type promotion refers to the process of promoting operands to a common data type in expression. In Java, operands with different data type in an expression are automatically promoted to a common data type based on a set of rules. Like if I have 5 integers, I'm giving it the double in the loop or anything for addition, it will automatically convert it into a double thing. Automatic type promotion helps us ensure the operands are compatible for the operation which are being performed in Java, right? So what are the sum of rules of our automatic type promotion in Java? We can see the code over there on the right side. So if one operand is double, then the other operand which is promoted, like the other operand is promoted to a double in the expression. So if one operand is double, the other one is automatically a double. If the operand is float, the other operand is promoted to a float thing. Basically, equality kind of a thing. If an operator is operand is long, then the other operand is promoted to a long in expression. Like this graph is important if you guys remember this. It is important. Like byte to shorten character will go to integer, integer will go to long, long will go to float, float will go to double, double will go to offset. Right. So next, some more rules which are if one operand is an integer, the other operand is promoted to an integer in the expression, and if one operand is a byte or a short, the operand is promoted to an int in the expression. Right, automatic type promotion ensures that operands are compatible for arithmetic operations in Java. Right, we can see this graph again over this side also. Now, some of the examples for automatic type promotions in Java, I told you guys we'll see some examples. So here we can see how an int and a double is being added. Right, see this we have integer result 10. So when we are adding 2, it is just 2 integers, so we'll get it aram se. Okay. Now here what we are doing is you guys can see how it is being done. We are dividing a division there. So it should normally be around 2.5 or 0.5 then, but it is adding and showing it as an in a proper integer format. So like we can see adding an integer and a double will automatically promote the into a double before performing the addition. Multiplying a float and a long will promote the long to a float compatible in the expression, and dividing an integer with the byte over there will promote the byte to an integer before the division is done. As you can see in the code over there on the right side, we have this all the expressions, like 5 examples. One is this one, 10 plus 15, 10 plus 15 into 3 multiplication will be done first. Yeah, like that is how the process is going. And some of the basic type conversion and casting best practices how they will do it in Java. So we should avoid unnecessary type conversions to prevent data loss and unexpected results. We should use explicit casting only when necessary, because it has this risk of loss of data, and so we have to ensure that the conversion is safe. Understand the rules of automatic type promotion to ensure compatibility in expressions. Right, these are some of the data types in Java. In primitive we have boolean, character, decimal for float and double, and for integers we have byte, short, long, and int. In non-primitive we have array, string, class, intervals. We all know how we store it. Array, collection of this indexes, value, they have it. Right, string is also same, but last character is null. Class also we have collection of multiple methods and objects. Interfaces are same, similar to that. So yeah, this is what it is. Benefits of type conversion and casting in Java is it allows us for the flexibility in handling different data types in Java program. The enable developers to perform arithmetic operation and comparison of operands with different data types. This helps us in understanding type conversion and casting to help ensure the accuracy and correctness of the code. What are the challenges which we face, the pitfalls for this type conversion and casting in Java is sometimes if we give this incorrect type conversion, it can lead to data loss, rounding errors, unexpected behavior in Java programs. I told you guys, if it is 4.5 and we want it to convert into integer, so if it is not rounded off, it will give only 4 in the loss of 5 data, and if it is giving 5, rounding it off 4.5, it will gain another 5 data which is not accurate. Right, so care must be taken when performing explicit casting to avoid runtime errors or exceptions. So inconsistent handling of data types can result in bugs and difficult to debug issue in Java code. This will also not help us in debugging them. It will be very critical. As you can see in this diagram also, which is compatible, which is not compatible, and how to do which this casting cannot do automatic conversion. These are some of the data type things. You can pause it and see it if you want. Now with conclusion, what we'll do is type conversion and casting are essential concepts in Java programming for managing data types and ensuring compatibility in expressions. Automatic type promotion simplifies the process of handling operands with different data types in Java. So by following some best rules, practices, understandings, and everything related to our type conversion, developers can write robust and reliable Java programs with proper accuracy and everything. So this. I would like to thank you guys for staying with me till the end of the video. If you like the video, please like it, subscribe, comments and share it to your friends, and tell me if you guys have any doubt. Please comment it down. I'll help you by going through it. Thank you. See ya. Have a good day.